So now you have your first row of double crochets in your circle. We're going to start our second. So you're going to chain 3. And that's just to get us to the right height. It does not count as your first stitch. You're going to put 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. We're going to be increasing. So there's going to be 2 double crochets in every stitch around. Your chain does not count as a double crochet. So let's do the first 2. There's your first 2. Then do 2 more in the next stitch. And 2 more in the next stitch. 2 double crochets in every stitch around. You'll have 24 double crochets. And just keep working 2 double crochets in every stitch around your circle. Okay, you should have 24. Let's see. 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Then you're going to slip stitch into the first one. So again, not into the chain, into the first double crochet made. Now you have your second round of your circle. Third round, you're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then this is a different increase. You're going to do 2 in the first one, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, one, two, and then the next stitch you're just going to do 1. The next stitch you're going to do 2 double crochets, and the next stitch you'll do 1. So every other stitch is the increase. Next stitch is 2, the increase. And then 1. And you work all the way around, doing 2, 1, and then 2 in the next. And 1. And another increase, so 2. And then 1 double crochet. And then 2. And then 1. And 2 in the same stitch for the increase. One and 2 in that stitch, 1 in the next, increase in the next, so 2 double crochets, one in the next, two double crochets, one double crochet in the next stitch, increase with 2 in the next stitch, and the last one is 1 double crochet. You slip stitch into the first double crochet made, so join your circle. Okay, for the next row, you chain 3, work 2 double crochets in that same stitch, and then you're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then your increase again, so you'll put 2 in the next stitch. And then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then another increase with 2 in the same stitch. And that's how you increase a circle for the next row. When you got to the end, you would chain 3 again. You would work 2 in the first stitch, and then you would work 1 double crochet in the next 3, and then an increase of 2, and then 1 double crochet in the next 3. Then the next row would be 2, and then 1 double crochet in the next 4, and so on and so on. It just keeps getting larger and larger. And that's how you work increases in the round.